Badminton split step, also known as the split drop. It is the technique of widening your stance to get ready for the next shot from the opponent. It's a short, sharp, and precise movement that widens your stance and get your center of gravity lower. Doing the split step allows you to change direction easier and get continuous fluid footwork. It's an essential piece of footwork, so let's look into this vital technique in more detail. Front and back straight. In the straight front and back, you want to choose a half court. Start in the middle. When the timer starts, do a smashing motion after quickly shuffling to the back and then run up to the front and make a net kill motion. Then keep going back and forth at full speed. Front and back diagonal. This one is the same as straight, except you move diagonally, smash at the back and then net kill front after running diagonally. For both these drills, you want to switch sides after a few sets so you can practice both backhand and forehand movements. Directional split step. This is very useful in situations where you know the opponent's shot choice is limited or correctly anticipate the opponent's shot. For example, at the net where typically most responses are either a net shot or a lift. The stagger split allows you to move quickly forward to the net to take the shot early should the opponent play a net shot. While this sounds complicated, as you practice and play more, you'll find that not only will the split step become more natural, you'll also know the right variations to use in different situations. Use this to your advantage. The direction of your feet will determine in which direction you can move fastest. If the racket foot is in front, you'll be able to cover the net forehand side and rear backhand side faster. If the non-racket foot is in front, you'll be able to cover the net backhand side and rear forehand side faster. And now let's proceed to the racket exercises. First, we have jungling with spin. A great exercise for hand-eye coordination. Juggling 3 or more balls requires good coordination. Improve your spatial awareness, knowing where each ball is in the air or in your hand, and continuing the jungle trains your eyes by tracking multiple objects and switching between them. This can be learned at home at any time, and as plus is always a good party trick. Second, we have backhand power. Badminton backhand is a very difficult skill to master. Many badminton players, including world-class players, find it difficult to execute strong backhands. Therefore, a smart opponent will always force you to use your backhand so that you return a weak shot and hence his chance to perform a strong offensive shot. Lastly, we have quick feet and lunge. One position where players tend to get stuck is when lunging towards the front of the court to perform a net shot or a net flip shot. If you are not trained enough, it is quite easy to become trapped in a deep lunge and not be able to recover the position. If you struggle with this movement, it's easy to improve it by doing lunges. It is a very natural movement and it is mandatory that you master it and practice it often. Another physical skill you need to work on is the speed of your feet. Having quick feet will help you react to the shots faster, start your movement faster, and get to the shuttle faster. There are quite a few exercises you can do in order to improve the speed of your feet. The idea of all these exercises is to move your feet as fast as possible while staying in position, so the movements are very fast and very short.